Have you ever tried or wanted to sign up for something online but didn't want to give away your personal email address? Whether it's avoiding spam or safeguarding your privacy, a temporary email can be a lifesaver. In this video, I will show you how to use disposable email addresses, why they are useful, and some of the best tools to get started. First, what exactly is a temporary email? A temporary email, also called a disposable email, is a self-destructing email address. It's a free service that lets you create a temporary inbox for a short period, usually a few minutes to a few hours. After that, it's gone. Examples of usage: signing up for free trials, downloading ebooks or white papers, avoiding spam from newsletters. Here's why you might want to use a temporary email addresses. Avoiding spam. Many websites share or sell your email to advertisers. Temporary emails prevent that. Privacy protection. Reduce your chances of being targeted by phishing attacks. 3. Easy organization. Keep your personal or work inbox cluster free. But remember, temporary emails aren't for everything. Avoid using them for accounts where you will need long-term access. Let's jump right into it. Here's how you can set up and use a temporary email address in just a few steps. First, you open your browser and search for a temporary email service. Examples include temp email, or 10-minute email. So these are examples you can actually pick from. So you have tempemail.org and 10-minute email. Visit the website. You can see a pre-generated email address ready to use. You just copy the email and paste it in the website wherever you want to paste it. Same thing applies here for temp email. Copy the website, paste it where you want to paste it. Then you check your inboxes for verification emails like this. Once you are done, you leave it. The email self-destroys without trace. Once you are done, you can say give me under 10 more minutes. Once it's done, it self-destructs by itself. For example, on temp email, you can customize the email address or download the app for easy access on mobile. For here, you can actually customize, change email address, delete it, or you can actually customize it how you want. Why temporary email is great? Here are some of the best practices to keep in mind. Don't use temporary email for important accounts. Avoid using them for services where you will need password recovery. Watch out for phishing. Always verify the links you are clicking in emails, even with temporary accounts. Check expiring time. Some services expire within minutes, so act quickly if you are waiting for a verification code. Before we wrap up, here's my top recommendations for temporary email services based on use of ease and features. You have temporary email, you have 10-minute email, Gorilla email, you also have email later, email on Dex, and that's it. Temporary emails are an easy and effective way to stay private online and avoid unnecessary cluster in your inbox. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on online privacy and tech hacks. Have questions or other tools you did recommend? Drop them in the comment below.